How to sell gift cards in Squarespace. In order to sell it, you first need to head over to your actual setup on your dashboard and click onto this products and services option right there. Once you're in here, head over and click onto this create, and you can choose in here which one you want to create. On this case, let's create in here a gift card. So let's click on this. And after that, they should be able to show you in here. So input right here the product name. So for example, 10% off Costco. Input right here the description as well as the bottom text that you wish to have. So let's input right here by here. You can also add additional information regarding this. You can add images, and in here you can input SKUs and inventories based on this one. You can also add organization, selling tools like featured products, related products, and product reviews right here. So in here you can see the SEO URL and social share option. So once you're done, head over it and then publish this into your site. So once you have published it, you should now be able to sell it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.